How to deactivate your Instagram two-step verification on your account. For this, you simply have to click on Instagram and open it in front of you. You have to open it on your mobile phone if you have phone. If you have browser, then you can also open it on your PC on your browser. Now this is my Instagram account. I will click on my profile option or more option from the left bottom of screen. Then click on the setting of my Instagram account. From the settings, you have to find the security setting or your account management, where you can simply change all of the login or any other two-step verification details. Now this is Meta Account Center on the top. You can click on it. After you will click it, here you can see there is a lot of option, my Instagram, my Facebook. I will click on password and security on the first. Then the second option is two-factor authentication. You simply have to click it and click any other profile you want to disable the two-step, as I will click on my Instagram profile because I want to do it for my Instagram. Here you can see that authentication app. So you can simply scroll down and then you can cancel it or disable it from the same menu I am on right now. They will recommend you to download application and do the setting on your Facebook. This is how you can set it up off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.